many more businesses continue to open up each and every week. And in the new normal, we know things will look a bit different. That's the case for the staff at the Bengtson Center. And today we have Meredith and Brittany with us. Hello, ladies.
Good morning.
It's so great to see you. And so let's talk about it. You have been open since June 1st, and things may be a little bit different when you go to the Bengtson Center, but it will be a lot the same as well.
That's right. I mean, we're so excited to be back and want to congratulate everybody else that's salons and our local businesses that are also opening up today. And really, we are so pleased to see our patients back. They're excited to be here. And although a lot has changed, a lot has stayed the same.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe let's talk about the new normal as we enter into that. What types of appointments, services, treatments can you get at the Bengtson Center right now?
We are so pleased to be offering all of our services from skincare to surgery. Of course, some of our procedures have changed a little bit in preparation, but our staff is fully versed on that and they're communicating very well with our patients. And so far, we've been able to execute really well, and the patients are having a fabulous experience.
So Meredith, tell us, what is your staff doing right now to take precautions?
Yeah, so, our staff and our patients are both going to experience just a slightly different routine at the office. All of our staff members have been COVID tested. We're all in uniform now and do have screenings daily. And then your provider is going to be wearing a little extra gear during your treatment. That includes N95 masks and eye protection, etc. But the patients have noted that they're feeling very safe, and they don't feel like it takes away from the overall just excellent experience that they're having, because it's all about the experience at the Bengtson Center and feeling loved on and special, and that you're getting the best treatment. So we've had some really positive feedback from our patients, which makes us really happy.
Are you asking your patients to do anything different or special as they come to have their appointments at the Bengtson Center?
Sure. So when you arrive at the office, you're asked to wear a mask. If you don't have one, we will provide one for you. And upon entering our lobby, we have a body temperature scan that you'll have your temperature read and answer a few simple questions before being escorted into the waiting area.
Mm-hmm. And, it's just almost perfect timing, Meredith and Brittany, that you moved into your newer facility not too long ago, which is very spacious. You're located at East Paris and Burton right there. And it just seems perfect because you have a very large, airy lobby and treatment rooms that I think will make people feel very comfortable.
Absolutely. It's been really great how we've been able to space our patients out. We've been sanitizing and turning over rooms with extra care, and we're still able to get patients in rooms very quickly upon arrival, and they feel safe and secure and can get their treatment that they've really been looking forward to receiving.
Brittany, I want to ask you about some of the different ways you really love at the Bengtson Center to involve your patients and those who you welcome through your door. Obviously, times have changed a little bit, and so you're not able to do what you have traditionally done with having educational sessions where people go there, perhaps having parties where people can come and learn a little bit. You've altered it a little bit.
Yes, yeah. So during quarantine, we actually started doing more virtual consultations with the doctors, and we started a virtual series. So what that entails is different webinars where patients can tune in from the comfort of their home, sipping their coffee, sitting in pajamas, whatever's most comfortable, but they can really learn about the topics that they're interested in. We keep them very short and sweet, and of course want to talk about the experience with those treatments. And so it's a nice way for us to engage with patients, and they can kind of type out questions that they might have. So we're continuing that virtual series, kind of moving forward all throughout the summer now as well.
Sure. You even have some that are taking place this week that people can participate in, though you do ask people to kind of register if they plan to attend and be a part of it.
Yes, yeah. So tomorrow we actually have Tone It Up Tuesday, where we'll be featuring Cool Sculpting and Cool Tone. That starts at 5 p.m. And then on Wednesday, Dr. Alfonso is actually featuring body contouring after weight loss. So he'll be talking about some of those surgical interventions. And just on a weekly basis, we'll have different seminars, usually 2 to 3 a week, featuring surgical, non-surgical, and skincare questions that patients have and common topics.
Yeah, this is something that you've been doing all along, and I know that education, not only for your staff, is very important, but you really strive at the Bengtson Center to educate patients as well. Why do you do that?
So there's so many different technologies, different skin solutions, and a lot of different locations where patients can choose to go to experience, those skin solutions. And we really pride ourselves in the technologies that we have here. Our staff is incredibly well trained, and I think the patient experience speaks for itself. Even during quarantine times and during this new normal, we're excited to welcome people back in. And I think it starts with education, really identifying what your main goals are and developing a customized concierge plan to really meet those goals.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Well, it's great that people can come to the Bengtson Center once again. They can take advantage of all those services, which is a lot of different ones. You can always go online to check out what some of those are. What do you recommend people do if they're interested in a virtual appointment or setting appointment to come in and have a service or a treatment done?
Yes, so you can send an email to info@bcaps.com. You can also go to our social platforms. So we'll be posting on Instagram, and there right in the link tree, you can select and register for some of the upcoming virtual events, and we can get you scheduled anytime.
Yeah, well, I know that you all have been working on this very slow and steady, so it's great to see you with your doors back open, and we'll catch up with you very, very soon.
Thank you.